I don't go on. I can't go in.
What are we doing? January 2020, first box of the year. Are you excited?
Mm-hmm.
So am I. Feels like it's been forever. Mystery tackle box. Whoa. Alright. Are you gonna read?
Mm-hmm.
I'm liking what I'm seeing so far. Alright. What's the first one?
Throwback Lures Trailblazer.
Throwback Lures Trailblazer. How much is that?
$9.99.
Alright, look at that. I bet that swims good. We've gotten these before, I think. And it swims real good. I haven't got anything on it, but...
It's just maybe like 1.5 inches littler.
Yeah, maybe. The other one is a little smaller. I'll bet it swims good. I don't know that it'll catch fish. We're gonna find out. $10 for that. Okay.
Smithwick Rattling Rogue.
Smithwick Rattling Rogue. How much is that?
$7.49.
Oh yeah. Floating jerkbait. 0 to 2 feet depth, 4.5 inches, 1/3 ounce. Is the Crackle Clown color. Yeah, I can see that. Looks like a Crackle Clown. Got some knockers in there. How much is that? $7.50?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
No, $7.49.
Yeah, $7.50.
10,000 fish saw crawl.
How much?
$5.99.
10,000 fish. I like these 10,000 fish things. They seem to be real good quality. Where I open this up so I can see it better. Maybe. Maybe. This is a soft plastic. How much is this? $6.
Mm-hmm.
Infused, infused scent and salt. Smell that. That'll wake you up in the morning.
It smells like rubber. It
Yeah.
just smells like.
This is the Smoky Choby Crawl. 4-inch. Those are cool colors though.
Mm-hmm.
It looks like good quality. Yeah, I don't know what scent that's infused with, but okay. I bet those will work. Got some big claws on them that look like we'll move a bunch of water. Okay, what's next? I'd buy these.
Guggen Baits Drag and Drop.
The Guggen Baits Drag and Drop. Oh, the Sunset Bug. I'm not gonna take those out of the package, and you probably won't be able to see them, but it's like it's got some red flake in there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I can see it.
How much are those? $6.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'd probably buy those.
Riot Baits the Probe.
Right, Baits the Probe. Another worm. Well, there's a lot of red in that.
Mm-hmm.
And some watermelon color. More soft plastics. That's good. How much are those? $5? Okay.
Sticky's EWG hook.
$2.10 for some 4-aught EWG hooks.
We could buy that. We could buy like maybe like 10 packs of those.
How much are these? $2.10. Alright, you missed one.
Oh, Booyah Swimming Jig.
Booyah Swim Jig. ½ ounce. Purple, brown, black, royal pumpkin it says. That's all swim jig. You could always use more jigs. Sweet. And last but not least, Jared look like an astronaut. The sticker. That's a good box. I like that box. I like all these baits. Except for maybe the... I've never had luck with them. That's probably why. I like the jerk bait, all the plastics, soft plastics, and the jig. I like it. That's a good box to start off the year, huh? You got anything you want to say to them? Nothing at all. Alright, well, what about the ending? Do you know the ending yet? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video if you don't mind doing so. We greatly appreciate it. Especially hitting the like button. That helps the video get out there on YouTube a lot more. You need to learn that so I can stop saying it. Yeah. Alright, thanks for watching.